Sa pagpapatuloy ng ating fourth quarter, mga kaibigan, a minute and 41 remaining in the game. Lamang pa rin ang Harbor Center, 77-73. And ang ating spotlight performer dito, kukumparahan natin mula nung umpisa ng ballgame. Jason Castro right now is matched up against Maki Escalona.
That's right, pero alam mo, kung si Doug Kramer has not scored ever since it's Gerwin Gapo who's defending him.
Doing a good job on defense, etong si Gerwin Gapo. Samantala, Lanete, pinikikiintal. The Rockets, very quiet offensively, at least in this ball game. Nakita si Lanete for three. Short. Napunta kay Maki Escalona. Here's Maki. Iniwanan ng depensa. Maki Escalona throws it up. And it will be Harbor Center ball.
And that's a good no call that time para dito kay, para sa kupunan ng Harbor Center. 1 minute and 6 seconds. Could have been a big scoring opportunity para dito sa White Shirts.
Konting usapan pa para kay Coach George Gallant to keep this lead on their side. A minute and 6 remaining in game number 1.